Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply send your Bitcoin on the Zengo. And it's an easy process. Simply open up your Zengo, make sure you've registered and you have a verified account. And all you need to do now is simply log in, put in your security code and log on to the Zengo app. Okay guys, and once you've logged on to the Zengo app, you'd be met with your balance and the tokens you have. All you need to do now is either swipe to the right where it says send and simply enter the amount of Ethereum and simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. But if that doesn't work for you, you could simply click on the Bitcoin itself and select actions and simply select the send option, which is just here. Click on the max. I want to send all of my Bitcoin. Click on continue and then simply enter the address. You can get the address by either using the QR code scanning or just pasting an address. And the address I want to be using is my Binance address. Also guys, if you do not have a Binance account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fees rebate when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you've logged in, click on deposits and select BTC or Bitcoin, and it's on the Bitcoin network. So select BTC, copy this, minimize, open up the Zengo app, paste this from the clipboard, click on I understand, and now you enter the review and the network fee is 0.55. So I'm going to be receiving $3.80. Click on the send option and simply enter your passcode and now click simply send the Bitcoin over to your Binance and boom, your Bitcoin is on its way. So all you need to do now is simply reload. It was awesome. It was easy. All you need to do now is simply reload and the Bitcoin would have left your wallet and would then be deposited onto your Binance, where you can simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen, scroll to your spot or to your funding to have a look at your assets. And there you can find the Bitcoin has been deposited here. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can send Bitcoin from Zengo and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.